Joe, what did you think of the Volcano Bay? Was it cool? What? Was it fun? There's a lot of different things, which was awesome. There's a lot of different water slides and elements, and I mean there was a bunch of stuff we did not do. But still, it was super cool.
The moving walkway exit is approaching. Please watch your step.
We are here at City Walk, through security, through everything. Abigail has discovered the walkway. You know, one day, every time I walk past here, I look at this mini golf, and I'm like, man, I really want to try that. As many times as I've been here, I still haven't yet. But one day I'm gonna want to try there. But we are here. Welcome to Universal Orlando Resort. So we are now back at Universal Orlando. May check out Minion Mayhem, see what the wait line. Oh, it's only 40 minutes for Minion Mayhem. First, we have to see if Abigail can ride it. She's like right at the line. So let's see if they let her. Let's hope. Just got off Minions. And again, got stuck on the ride. And they made us get off. But they gave us one-time use express passes. And so we now have... Okay. And now we have up to 8 single-use express tickets. 8. Because of how many times we've been stuck on rides. Crazy. We are here at Freeze Ray Pops. About to get us some frozen pops. I got the blue banana. That's pretty good. So it has like an actual banana flavor, not like a fake banana flavor. Not what I was expecting. It's more like a fudge bar, but still, very good. Abigail, can you look? Say cheese!
That was such a good cheese. Can you say bye, Panda?
Bye hashtag. Say bye hashtag.
Bye. Up here on the left.
She's so close. She's like an inch.
Just got off a race through New York with Jimmy Fallon. He enjoyed it. So Andrea, Abigail, and Katie are waiting for the parade. The parade starts in an hour and 3 minutes. Josiah and I are going to go down and we are going to do Minion Blast. Or VillainCon Minion Blast, or whatever that's called. And shoot some things. It's a 20-minute wait, 20-minute posted wait. So we'll see how long it takes us to get through. We should enjoy it. He likes shooting games. I like shooting games. Let's see if we can do well. And go from there. I'm extremely thirsty, so I may get a drink of some sort. Yeah. Having fun so far?
Yeah.
Are you enjoying Universal? As of right now, which stinks. The Mummy is down. Transformers is down. 2 rides he has not been able to ride yet. So that kind of stinks. But we're just gonna make the most of it. I'm excited about the parade because the footage and photos I've seen of the parade look amazing. So I'm excited about the parade. And I'm excited about the nighttime show, which starts at 9. Just left Minion Con. Josiah I took a photo on my phone. Josiah got 295,430. And then I got 616,410. I mean, you did pretty good. I mean, I think you did better than the first time I ever did it. I think you did it pretty good, dude. Hello? Kind of. Did you at least have fun while doing it? Huh? Good. It's always fun when there's a shooting game involved. So time check, it is 5:23. The parade starts in about 30 minutes. We're gonna go to our spot with Andrea and then we are gonna relax the rest of the day, see if the Mummy opens up and Transformers opens up, and then hopefully we're gonna watch the Lagoon show at 9 tonight. That's the plan. I think that's gonna be super fun. And I smell food, and it smells delicious. The music is a little loud, but we are in front of the old tribute store type area, and we're right here in New York, and we are ready for the movie parade. They just put out an announcement saying due to technical difficulties, it's delayed. So hopefully it'll start relatively quick. It does look cloudy. It is Florida in the afternoon, so it may rain a little bit, but hopefully it doesn't. But Abigail is ready. She is bubble wand ready. Time check, it is 6:20. The parade is on a technical delay, so after 20 minutes, we have decided to...
Now that we got up, it'll start.
Right, exactly. To stop. And we're going to head towards Transformers since we haven't done that, since it's back up working now. You want to go into the houses? We're going to go to Transformers, ride that, then potentially back to DreamWorks Land. They're knocking on the doors. Did you ding dong ditch? So, yeah, it's kind of sad. And Mummy is still down. Extremely sad. Transformers is up, yeah. Hello, anybody home? So they made an announcement saying that it was going to start. At least that's what I think they said. So we came back, got basically our same location that we were in, but we see nothing. Like, we don't see them clearing anybody out of the way yet. There's still... Here, I'll go this way. There's still a bunch of people through, but this music just changed. I don't know. Also, this is the bubble wand that Abigail got. And what's really cool is it interacts with the parade. So when you see Poppy in the parade, it has a little sensor here that actually interacts with the floats. So you can make the float go off, and the float makes this go off. And it's kind of a tandem thing, which is pretty cool. So we sit here and wait. Hopefully it starts soon. Scratch that. 6:41. At 6:36, they came up over the announcements saying the movie parade has been canceled. Sucks. I was really looking forward to seeing everything in the movie parade.
Where does it go?
All of the floats, everything, it looked amazing. So Joe and I are going on Transformers. It says an estimated 25-minute wait, but a bunch of people flooded into it, so I don't think it's going to be 25 minutes. It actually may be longer. Who knows? We just got off Transformers.
It was fun. Good.
Josiah liked it, and literally as soon as we got out, Bumblebee came out to do a meet and greet. So we are now in line to meet Bumblebee. Are you excited to meet Bumblebee? Yeah. Gonna be fun? Is he your favorite?
I've watched the movie like a million times.
You watched the movie a bajillion times?
Yeah.
There he is, Josiah. There he is. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hop in, sir.
No, I'm good.
10 more.
Yep.
There you are, sir.
Thank you so much.
Anytime. Have a good rest of your night, guys. He's right out on the far end for us.
Say bye, Bumblebee.
I told him bye twice.
You told him bye twice?
Yeah, because I just told him bye before that.
Oh, yeah. Want to see your photo?
Yeah.
All right, let's look at them. Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
Good. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yeah. We were walking through Central Park area again, and seeing all of this HHN propage just makes me kind of sad we won't be here this year. But I hope it's an amazing event. A lot of people have an amazing time. Hopefully, we will be coming for here later to see the sensational spectacular. Man, all this HHN stuff looks amazing. Back in the DreamWorks section here at Universal, looking for Andrea, Katie, and Abigail. I'm pretty sure they're near the Poppy area, the Poppy playground and whatnot. But we'll see. Andrea had a bathing suit for Abigail, and there's some water stuff, so they may have done that. So hopefully we can find them, meet up. If I can't find them within the next few minutes, I'm just gonna text them. This area is really cool though. The whole Shrek playground. There's a slide that when you go down it, it farts.
On Shrek's playground.
Uh-huh. The High Five Hideaway, Poppy's Playground, Trolls Treats, where you can get some ice cream with different flavors. And there's Abba Dabba. Hi! Did you miss Daddy? Did you have fun? Did you have fun with Mommy and Aunt Katie? Right now we are heading to Poe's Kung Fu Training Camp.
Can I work on some Kung Fu when I'm in there?
Yeah, you can work on some Kung Fu while we're in here. You know, because it is the training camp.
And I'm gonna eat some noodles. There's somewhere to put the stroller?
I don't know. Doesn't look like the water stuff is going. All of that is water stuff. And that's water stuff.
Maybe we can go see Paul live, maybe.
So definitely all of the water elements back here still are not working.
No, they are working. I bet they're just closed because it's 9.
Maybe.
Abigail Blake.
Abigail Blake!
Come here. You want to ring the gong? Honey, you can wait your turn to ring the gong.
I think the Paul live's closed. I'm gonna go see if that's read that with your contacts on?
Post.
I don't have my glasses on, so.
Use both hands. Pull hard. Pull. Put all your weight on it. Pull. Here. Both hands. Both hands. Ready?
Oh, good job.